Google's AI, Gemini, changed how people shop and buy online forever. Not tweaked it, not nudged it, fundamentally changed it. If your store and business isn't set up for the new reality, you won't just fall behind, you won't even show up. In just 10 minutes, I'm gonna break down exactly what changed, what it means for your Shopify store, and what you can do about it today. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the big picture because this is worth getting so excited about. And it's called Agentic shopping, AKA AI is now a personal shopper. Okay, so here's the deal in plain English. Google's AI model, Gemini 3, is being integrated into Google Search for the first time through a feature called AI mode. So instead of just getting a list of links when you search, you can now have a conversation with AI right inside Google. Gemini now becomes your personal shopper, understanding both your preferences and evaluating and comparing products out there. It will explain based on your needs what product might actually work best. And the big, important update here. Over the coming months, you'll be able to complete the purchase without ever leaving the AI platform. You'll be able to check out right there. One click, frictionless and easy. That's the shift. Gemini has gone from being a chat assistant to what's called an agentic platform, meaning it doesn't just answer questions, it's taking real actions on a buyer's behalf. Think of it as your personal shopper bringing you a selection of custom choices to a private showroom where you can purchase immediately. You don't need to go to other stores or to other links. So, what is actually making all of this possible? It's called the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP. It's endorsed by over 20 major companies, including MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and Stripe. This is how the entire industry is agreeing on how AI shopping is going to work. So here's the simplest way to think about it. There was a time when your credit card only worked at certain stores. Then everyone agreed on a standard and suddenly it worked everywhere. UCP is that exact moment for AI shopping. Once it's fully rolled out, Gemini can talk directly to your Shopify store. It can check what's in stock, confirm the price, even apply a discount code. And the shopper checks out right there inside the Google app with Google Pay or Shop Pay. No extra steps. They never have to dig around for a credit card or fill in a shipping address ever again. That frictionless experience, it's genuinely what gets people over the line. Here's the part that's actually the most important, and it has nothing to do with any settings. It's your product data. Gemini reads your product titles, your descriptions, your images, and your customer reviews when it decides whether to recommend you. If that data is thin, vague, or just fine, Gemini is gonna recommend someone else because its number one priority is maintaining trust with its user. And the best news here for our Shopify users tuning in, we once again have you covered and ahead of the game. Head to Shopify and make sure you have the Knowledge Base app added to your store. Go into your Shopify app store and look for this one. Once you have it installed, you'll want to spend some time answering questions because this is where AI builds confidence in understanding your store. So when shoppers ask about you, it's gonna get the answers right. So, your complete beginner's checklist includes: make sure your product titles are specific and complete. Your description should answer the questions a real customer would actually ask before buying. Make sure your images are high res because people want to see and know what they're actually going to be getting. And please don't sleep on verified customer reviews. AI treats those as a trust signal. No reviews basically means the AI is going to be taking a gamble on you, and as we know, it doesn't like to gamble. Okay, I know this is a lot to take in, and if you're feeling overwhelmed right now, I totally get it. But don't worry, you're good, and you know why? Because you're watching this video right now. I got you. Plus, I have a mega bonus tip to knock this all out super fast at the end of this video. You may have heard of SEO before, but have you heard about GEO? And no, I'm not talking about GeoGuessr.
You and I actually guessed in very, very similar places. In fact, my first guess was...
Even though that is so freaking cool. No, GEO is for Generative Engine Optimization. And it's literally the new version of SEO. And just in case you're unfamiliar with SEO, here's the quick rundown, rapid fire. SEO, search engine optimization, has been the playbook for getting found on Google for the last 20 years. It was about things like using the right keywords, getting other websites to link to yours, and making sure your pages loaded fast. The goal was to get Google to rank your website pages near the top of search results so you'd get seen more. GEO has the same goal, but totally different rules. Because AI doesn't rank pages or show you endless results. It synthesizes information and makes specific, limited recommendations. So the question has now changed from how do I rank higher, to how do I become the product Gemini recommends. So here's what's gonna trip up the people who aren't watching videos like this. Old SEO rewarded volume. More content, more keywords, more pages. GEO rewards clarity. If someone asks Gemini, what's a good housewarming gift under $40? And your product description just says soy candle, vanilla, 8 ounce, Gemini just doesn't have enough to work with. So who is gonna get listed? Your competitor, who said our hand-poured vanilla soy candles make the perfect housewarming gift. They burn for up to 60 hours with a warm, subtle scent, and they ship in gift-ready packaging. Do you see the difference there? It's the same product, but one's getting recommended and one's getting skipped. And there's yet another thing working in your favor if you're on Shopify. Your product data is already structured in a way that AI can read and understand easily. That's built into how Shopify works. You don't need to do anything extra to make it happen. So, here are the 4 things to focus on right now. First, head to your product pages in Shopify and make sure the data is complete and accurate, because that's exactly what the AI is going to be reading. Second, rewrite your product descriptions to answer the questions a real customer would ask before buying. Third, make collecting and displaying verified reviews a priority. AI treats reviews as a trust signal. And fourth, check your product tags and categories are accurate. If Gemini can't tell what your product is or who it's for, it just won't recommend it. Clean it up and let AI do the selling for you. Okay, now, as promised, I'm gonna tell you how to do all of this homework I've given you on easy mode. Let's get into your own personal GEO cheat codes. So everything we've covered so far is about getting your store found through Gemini. But now we're gonna talk about how to use Gemini to actually run your store better day to day and make you a GEO champion. Writing product descriptions, researching competitors, drafting email campaigns, that stuff used to mean hiring someone or losing a whole afternoon. Now you can do it in your pajamas in like 90 seconds. Let's start with content. If you're on the paid tier, Gemini and Google Docs can now pull information from your own files, your emails, and the web to help you create content. And it generates a complete first draft from a simple description. So if you're guilty of analysis paralysis and have been the king or queen of procrastination and putting off writing product descriptions for your new collection because it just feels like too much, there's your fix. Open up Gemini, paste in your existing description or any information you have on the product, and type rewrite this product description to answer a customer's top 3 questions before buying. That's it. Beyond product descriptions, think about what else eats your time. Is it maybe email marketing, content calendars, competitor research? Or how about answering FAQ emails? Lucky for you, these are all things Gemini handles so well. And for anything that requires deeper research, say you want to understand a new product niche before you invest in it, or you want a proper breakdown of what your competitors are doing right now, Gemini's deep research feature can analyze hundreds of sources and hand you a comprehensive report in minutes. What used to take a whole week now takes a coffee break. You get a few deep research reports a month on the free tier and more if you upgrade. If there's one thing to try after this video, open Gemini. Use it for work, rewrite a product description, ask it your customers' top 3 questions. Or open Gemini to play around with Nano Banana. Upload a selfie and see what you'd look like as, say, a video game character. I know you've done it. We actually made an entire video tutorial on Google's Nano Banana that you can watch right here. Okay, you did it. You can now call yourself a GEO expert. And just like that, you're officially ahead of the AI shopping curve. I'm Margaret Lefton with Learn with Shopify. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.